Yes, this fund is the key to solving a housing problem for our military. But I believe we're here to solve a problem for you, too. Investors are having to deal with 0% or even negative returns in this market. It's becoming harder and harder to find good yield. There is a shortage of income replacement vehicles and fewer options for risk-averse investors. Also noteworthy, finding investments that are friendly with self-directed 401ks and IRAs isn't easy either. We've structured this fund to meet all of those needs. I believe that you can benefit from investing in our military service members. Long-term contracted employment plus guaranteed housing allowances give this fund a much better total risk-adjusted return. I offer direct access into the military brotherhood and the culture surrounding it. By combining your investment with the resources and infrastructure of Operation Red Dot, this fund offers a turnkey investment opportunity. Although we think this fund will be appealing to single-family offices, funds of funds, and charity endowments, this vehicle is a great solution for retired or semi-retired accredited individuals who simply just want to bolster their income.